Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto News Roundup. It's January 20th, 2026, right here in Fresno, California, and wow, what a start to the week in the crypto world. I'm Freethinker, your go-to guy for all things crypto, and today we're diving deep into the latest headlines, price action, and what it all means for your portfolio. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on daily updates like this. We're building a community of smart traders who stay ahead of the curve. Let's jump in, because the market's moving fast, and I want to keep you locked in. First off, let's talk about the big picture. The crypto market cap is hovering around $3.2 trillion, but it's down about 3% in the last 24 hours. We've seen over $870 million in liquidations, mostly longs getting wrecked. Why? Well, geopolitical tensions are spiking. President Trump's threats of new tariffs on 8 European countries over the Greenland dispute have everyone on edge. Risk assets like stocks and crypto are feeling the pain, while safe havens like gold are hitting all-time highs at $4,690. Silver's up there too, at $94. But here's the thing. Is this just a shakeout before the next leg up? I've seen these dips before, and they often turn into massive buying opportunities. What do you think? Comment below if you're stacking sats right now. Starting with Bitcoin, the king of crypto. BTC is trading at about $91,000 right now, down 2% on the day after dipping below $92,000 during Asian hours. It even flashed to $0 on one exchange due to a glitch. Talk about heart-stopping. But seriously, the drop's tied to those tariff fears weighing on global markets. Legendary trader Peter Brandt is sounding the alarm, saying BTC's in a bearish channel and could melt down to $58,000, $62,000 if bulls don't step up. Ouch, that's a 37% drop from here. He's got a point. We've got a new death cross on the charts, which historically signals more downside. But hold on, not all doom and gloom. Options data shows a 30% chance of BTC falling below $80,000 by June, but that's still a coin flip for upside. And check this. Crypto investment products saw $2.17 billion in inflows last week, the biggest since October 2025, with Bitcoin ETFs pulling in $1.55 billion alone. Institutions are buying the dip. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor just hinted at another big BTC purchase after adding $1.25 billion last week, pushing their holdings over 687,000 BTC. Stake and Shake jumped in too, adding $10 million to their treasury. If you're watching from the sidelines, this could be your cue. Like this video if you're bullish on BTC long term. Shifting to Ethereum, ETH's at around 3,100, down 3.5% today, but still up 10% year to date. The network's on fire. Daily transactions hit a record 2.9 million, the highest ever. But wait, a researcher says this surge might be from dusting attacks, where scammers spam addresses to track wallets, thanks to low gas fees. Not all organic growth, folks. Stay vigilant and use privacy tools. On the bright side, Vitalik Buterin declared 2026 as the year Ethereum reverses backsliding on self-sovereignty and trustlessness. He's pushing for local verification in wallets, no more trust me setups, and even a garbage collection function to slim down bloat. Standard Chartered agrees, calling 2026 the year of Ethereum, predicting ETH outperformance over BTC due to inflows, stablecoins, and scaling upgrades like a 10x throughput boost. ETH could hit that 0.08 BTC ratio again, like in 2021. If you're an ETH holder, drop a thumbs up. This could mean big gains ahead. And for newbies, remember, Ethereum's dominating DeFi and tokenization, so it's not just about price, it's about real utility. Now let's zoom out to altcoins and the broader market. Solana's at $129, down 3.8%, but Sol Fund saw 45.5 million in inflows. Institutions love its speed. XRP's holding at 1.93, up slightly against the trend. Memecoins are wild as ever. Pepe and Shibi are flat, but Doge dipped 1.6%. Watch out for rugs. White Whale tanked 60% after a $1.3 million dump, and one trader flipped 285 into 627K on another meme amid rigging claims. Privacy coins surged 13% amid the chaos, Monero's leading the pack. On the flip side, GameFi, Layer 1, and Layer 2 sectors dropped over 8%. But here's a gem. Hyperliquid overtook Aster in trading volume at $40.7 billion. And Pendle's launching a new token for better yields. Could be a play if you're into DeFi. Regulatory vibes are heating up too. The Clarity Act is stalling over stablecoin yield rules, with Coinbase clashing with the White House. But an analyst says this delay is actually good for crypto. Less rushed regulation means stronger frameworks. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's meeting world leaders at Davos to push adoption. Big news. NYSE is building a 24/7 blockchain platform for tokenized stocks and ETFs, with instant settlements and stablecoin funding. SEC approval pending. This could bring trillions on-chain. Meanwhile, South Korea busted a $102 million crypto laundering ring, and China's mBridge CBDC platform processed $55 billion, mostly in digital yuan. Globally, crypto perps are gaining momentum as traders set the tone for 2026. And Tether's rolling out Scudo for tokenized gold payments, blending old and new money. Institutional players are strong. Large BTC custody wallets accumulated $53 billion in the last year. A Satoshi-era wallet moved $85 million after 13 years dormant. Vintage BTC on the move. Binance founder CZ says Bitcoin will become the global reserve currency. Dubai's accepting BTC and crypto payments, first in the Middle East. Even the Federal Reserve injected $8.3 billion in liquidity, which could indirectly boost risk assets like BTC. Looking ahead, analysts are split. Some see BTC consolidating for 60 days before a big move. It's been exactly that now. Others predict a relief rally based on history. Alt season could be brewing, with alts versus BTC dominance trending up like in 2018 and 2021. Polymarket odds for BTC at 100K this month, down to 21%. But with Davos kicking off and Trump speaking tomorrow, volatility is guaranteed. Eyes on Japanese yields and central banks too. My take? This dip feels temporary. History shows BTC bounces back stronger after these shakes. But Dior, what's your price target for BTC by month end? Comment it. Alright, that's your crypto news for January 20th, 2026. If this kept you engaged and informed, smash that like button. It helps the algo push this to more thinkers like you. Subscribe for daily scripts just like this, turn on notifications, and share with a friend who's still on the fence about crypto. Follow me on X at exanman443 for real-time updates. What's one takeaway from today? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to the best ones. Stay safe, trade smart, and let's crush 2026 together. Peace out.